I like to run courses from the website. And there is a website set up which applies to all of the courses that Sally and I have given. Actually, we don't need the www. CPE616. I know I haven't switched it over yet. /courses if you want. Okay, there is our website. And you should jot that down if you don't know it already. Because that's going to be, for the duration of this course, the first place you should go when you have a question about changes in the class schedule, exam grades, quiz grades, anything like that. Okay, and that gets you to this point. Once you've gotten here, this is the material for this course. And what you'll find here is 4 things that are particularly important to you. The current announcements, of which there aren't any yet, but you should look at this frequently. Because if I have to tell you the course is going to be not happen this week, or something else, I'm going to give you a long exam on, next week. I wasn't planning to, but I decided to change my mind. This is where it's going to show up. Okay. You may look on it 2 or 3 weeks in a row and not see anything changing, but that doesn't mean it won't. Okay. In the lecture notes, there isn't much there yet either, but you will see this list growing, obviously. And this slide you've already seen earlier today for about an hour. That was lecture notes. Course information. The syllabus here, I was working on it and had some troubles with the computers. But this, again, is what we were looking at earlier. Basic information about the class schedule, the office hours. There's a lot more that will be in there, but it isn't in there yet. And homework assignments, which have nothing in it yet, but will. And I will be announcing all the homework assignments in class, but if you forget, don't write it down correctly, or I don't write it down correctly, or something. Now, these 2 sections here we put that into all of our courses, and it's the same material in all of them. It's basically a place where we put software which you can download, or documentation that you can refer to anytime you want. It's free for you to use as much as you want. Now, I also require that homework is submitted on the web using the CVS system, which is a version control system. We may use the version control aspect of it a little bit in this course, but version control is a critical part of software, of engineering development of all sorts. Version control is a system which allows you to evolve your documents over time in such a way that you can always retrieve the previous version in case you need to It allows people to work as a group, and you may be working as a group somewhat in this class. Okay. There are some limitations to it. One of them is that you have to have an account, and that's what this is for. Okay. You fill this out. If you've done it before, you should do it again, because this is a different course name. Okay. I should tell you again, this is not, we have not yet checked the configuration for this course, so don't set up your account yet. Give us a few days to check this out. Okay. Now, let me tell you some more about CVS, because this is something you're going to have to know about in order to do your assignments and submit them. This is a slide which I will be putting onto the material for this course. If you want to look at it right now, you need to go look at the Lecture 1 for the Software Engineering 2003 course. Same place? I think so. Anyway, I think it's slide number 10 or something like that for the first lecture. And this describes how to use CVS. Okay, some of you have already used CVS, and this will not be new to you. But for the other people who don't have this experience, please try it out. As I said, don't set up your account yet. Give us a couple of days. But once you do that, be sure you're familiar with CVS. Try it out. Call us or send an email to us if you have troubles with it, because it takes a little bit of getting accustomed to. The most important thing about CVS that you need to know about is that only a certain kind of files can be submitted. If you submit a text file, that's fine. If you submit a binary file, what's up? Oh. If last one. That's all right. Anybody who's late now has missed out on it. It got messed up somehow? Oh. I don't want the extra copy to leave the room, though. I want them all to be handed in.
Oh, wait. No, you can't take it out. He wants you to put it in here. Oh, he wants to make a copy of it.
I don't want him to make a copy of it.
Shall I go get a copy of it?
No, I don't want copies of it.
Why don't you want us to leave the room?
I don't want copies of it.
Oh. Is this for you or for somebody else? Okay, so there's two people who need it.
There's two people still missing the
Still missing it, yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. Sure. So he can go make copies.
Okay.
I didn't realize more people had snuck in when I wasn't paying attention. Where was I? Oh yeah, CVS. Binary files you have to submit in a particular way. Now, what's the difference between a text file and a binary file? HTML is text. TXT files are text. JPEG files are binary. Okay. PNG files are binary. Almost all image files are binary. So, when you submit your homework assignments, if they're written assignments, I want them to be either text format or pure HTML format. Now, what is pure HTML? Pure HTML is what you do not get from Microsoft Word. Nope, try that one again. Pure HTML uses things like H3, P, table, list